Thank you for staying with us. You're watching TVJ's Junior Schools Challenge Quiz. This is the third match in the quarterfinals for 2019. And the scores are Seaview Gardens on 18 and Mount Airy on 23. Now it's time for the final challenge, where questions are thrown open to both teams. The first one pressing the buzzer earns the right to answer after the school has been identified. They will earn 2 points for each correct answer, but will lose 2 points if the answer is incorrect or incomplete. Good luck to both teams. We start off with local affairs, and it's a visual. So look at the monitor and identify this person. That's Mount Airy.
Michael Bell Nevis.
Michael Bell Nevis.
His Worship the Mayor of St. Anne, that is correct. Sports. Which team did the West Indies men's cricket team play in a series of matches in August? That's Mount Airy.
India.
Afghanistan.
In 2019, India is correct. Bible knowledge. Who was the father of Samson? That's Seaview Gardens.
Manoah.
Correct. Science. If the vibrations of a sound become more rapid, what impact, if any, will this have on the pitch and frequency, respectively? Seaview.
The pitch will become higher.
Judges? That's incorrect. Both will be higher. English language. Form an adjective from the word pharmacy. Mount Airy?
Pharmaceutical.
Correct. Music. The Caribbean singer Slinger Francisco is better known by what? That's Seaview.
The Mighty Sparrow.
The Mighty Sparrow.
By what stage name? That is correct. General knowledge. Who was the last U.S. president to be impeached but was eventually acquitted by the Senate? William Bill Clinton. Television. It's a visual teams. Look at the monitor and give the correct name of this person. That's Owen Ellis. Mathematics. What is the sum of 28, 2.8, and 2.08? Mount Airy?
32.85.
Incorrect. It's 32.88. Social studies. What is the name for large, continuous areas of land bordered by large bodies of salt water? Continents. Television. What would be the correct rating for a movie or television program where parental guidance is, that is Mount Airy?
PG.
PG.
Parental guidance is needed as some material may be inappropriate for children under 13 years of age. That would be PG-13, so that answer is incorrect. Sports, it's a visual. Look at the monitor and identify this former Jamaican Olympian. That is James Beckford, Olympic silver medalist in the men's long jump. Bible knowledge. Didymus was another name for which of the disciples? That's Mount Airy.
Thomas.
Of Jesus, that is correct. This is science. Why is it best to put foam on the walls of a radio studio? Mount Airy?
To keep out sound.
Incorrect. It's to absorb the sound. English language? Give a 7-letter word starting with F, which means the same as enraged or very angry. Seaview?
Furious.
That is correct. Music. My Girl and Just My Imagination were released by which American group in the 1970s? The Temptations. General knowledge. The German Johannes Gutenberg is credited with what famous invention in the 15th century? The answer would have been the printing press. And we have Seaview Gardens on 22 and Mount Airy on 21 at the end of this match. So we say congratulations to Seaview Gardens and well fought by Mount Airy. We go for a final break, and when we come back, we wrap things up. Please stay with us.